Well, we're at a beautiful spot right in the heart of the countryside here in Normandy in France. Behind me you can see a group of people. They are a new team for Ceva, the US sales team for Tildren.
He took it over from his father, who was Baron Guy de Rothschild. He died when he was 97.
Haras de Meurtry is the stud farm of Baron Edward de Rothschild, an internationally known name in equine circles, and it's a location where Tildren has been used by vets to treat lameness and locomotion problems in some of their horses.
We've used it on 2 or 3 horses that have come back from training with problems. And all those horses have gone back into training and have all run since then. So yes, it has been a success.
Ceva has been producing Tildren for over 10 years, but it couldn't promote it in the USA until the Federal Drug Administration, or FDA, gave its approval. Now that's been given, Ceva has recruited a team to sell it there.
We're taking a very unique approach to the marketplace. When we thought about the best sales team we could hire to represent our equine products, we decided that with the technical products that we're going to have and the innovation that serves that line, the best type of representative we could have is, in fact, an equine veterinarian themselves. So we've recruited 6 equine veterinarians who are all joining us out of practice, and they are going to represent the products to our customers in the field.
Well, this location, just down the road from the stud farm, has an even longer history, would you believe? This is Sirral, and if you're talking about locomotion issues with horses, then this is pretty much the centre of excellence for the whole of Europe. It's also the home to one of the world's leading experts in that field. And today he's been meeting with the Ceva team and sharing some of his wisdom with them, and also the wisdom of his own team.
Ceva did a nice job in the development of Tildren, because they provide the industry with a medication that can be used in order to improve the health of horses and improve the use of the horses, and of course this is essential for owners. And I found during the 2 decades that I have worked with Ceva collaborators that well, they were quite convinced of the interest of the drug, and really I think that in Europe and in the States they did an essential work in order to provide Tildren in different countries.
It's very interesting for me now, because I can see that the many years that we spent in developing this product will now be converted into a product available on the market and to be sold to the US vets. So it's really a great achievement, and I'm happy to see that all the people we had today in the meeting were extremely enthusiastic and have many questions to ask. So I feel it will be a great team.
We've travelled quite a long way south now. We're on the outskirts of the city of Lyon. In the background you can see the practice ring for the FEI World Cup finals for dressage and show jumping. A tremendous event and a fantastic place to introduce you to the new members of the US team.
I'm very confident in the sales of Tildren in the US because it's the one and only product available to treat a disease process that limits the careers of many of our equine athletes.
I joined Ceva because it's a great team. The work that you've done on Tildren and the other equine products that are coming up the woodworks are very exciting. They're unique products and they're going to help a lot of horses. Very happy with the results and the horses that I've used it on. Looking forward to its accessibility now that we have it FDA approved in the United States.
The products are unique, and I think when you look at the science behind them, they are being well researched, and they bring some great treatment options to areas of veterinary medicine and equine veterinary medicine that currently are underserved, and I think they're going to help an awful lot of horses.
I think this gives us an opportunity not only to help 1 or 2 horses like we were in practice, but thousands and thousands. So now I have the opportunity not only to help at the horse level, to help at the veterinary level, and I'm very excited about that.
KOLs are what we call our key opinion leaders, and those will be the well-known veterinarians throughout the industry of all the other disciplines within the equine world. And so our job is to be educating them on how to use our products, the benefits, the efficacy ratios of using the product as well, and allowing them to talk about the products and their endeavors throughout the United States on the events that they are being a part of, and their customers as well.
That's very important in that market to be credible when you visit a client. And it was a decision made that we will recruit people that have a really good knowledge, technical knowledge, so equine vets. And we are the first company to do that in the US. So those people that have all a good experience in the field, being practitioners, would be very suitable to deliver the right message and give advices to the customers. So we believe it will be really an added value for Ceva to have those people working with us.
And one of those clients could well be the US equestrian show jumping team. They were out in force in Lyon, and in something of an exclusive for Ceva TV, the team's internationally known vet revealed that it could be an easy sell because he's already a fan of Tildren.
We've used quite a few doses of Tildren now going back probably 5 years, perhaps more. I think it's a very useful tool in our ongoing sort of effort to keep these horses sound and happy. We use it a lot for bone pain. We're able now as well, thanks to the MRI technology over the last few years, to be really accurate about our diagnosis of bone inflammation and bone disease. And the Tildren, without question, has been a really useful tool in that regard.
So that's it for this brief video report. I hope you've been interested to meet the members of the US team and to learn a bit more about Tildren. They're all now about to fly back to the United States to start spreading the word and also selling the product that is Tildren.
But before they were allowed to leave the country, I set them a challenge to prove they were truly integrated in the Ceva group.
One Ceva!